forbid my house now.
Nah, eh?
Forbid my house now. I benefited from it. One is I was able to entrust everything on someone that I know that last. This guy not gonna do me bad last.
Yeah.
Totally paid off for me.
Yeah. That's what it's supposed to be. My name is Victor Azubinge. I'm the MD of Vimez Projects Limited. We design and build classic homes. The last time, I think I made a whole lot of promises, and we have kept almost all those promises, right?
At Vimez Projects, we don't just build homes, we create legacies. We don't promise what we can't deliver. When we commit, we go the extra mile to ensure every detail is meticulously executed. Every project pushes us to improve on the last, staying ahead of the curve with the latest trends and innovations.
Vimez Projects Limited, we don't settle for less. We are always on the move. We are not static. We're always very progressive. We are looking out for options that are available that can, make our works better. Our next job will always remain the best job. So we keep that progressiveness and all that.
This remarkable project stands as a testament to modern architectural elegance. A 5-bedroom classic duplex, meticulously designed to blend timeless sophistication with contemporary comfort. Every detail of this structure, from its grand facade to its thoughtfully planned interiors, reflects a commitment to excellence and a vision of creating a space that is not just a house, but a true home.
On this particular project, we've done a whole lot of changes. When you look at this project and what we've done before, you will see a whole lot of upgrade. You will see a whole lot of changes. You will see a lot of smart homes that we've incorporated into this project. So it's actually a beauty to behold. The way we structure our job, we don't just work any project that we do. If we are repeating that same process, there will be a difference. You always see a difference. We don't like to repeat things. We don't like to show you something that you've seen before. You'll be seeing it, but you'll be seeing it in different angles. That is how we do our job.
This residential project is nestled in Umuahia, ABIA State, known as God's own state. Vimez project thrives on overcoming obstacles. The land we worked on was undulating, posing a significant challenge, but our team saw it as an opportunity to innovate and provide solutions.
First thing first, the land itself is undulating. I have a very undulating slope. When we saw it, I saw it as a very big challenge. And that challenge, what we always do, challenge excites us. So when we see challenges like that, it gives us the opportunity to show how powerful we are in construction. So that the undulating side, is the first challenge that we have. And when we came in, we, of course, now, we always deliver. So we did that.
Before putting pen to paper, we took time to understand our client, his personality, his vision. This led to the creation of Dove House, a home that embodies peace. From its soft hues to its tranquil structure, everything whispers serenity.
The most important thing for us, before the design process, we engaged with the client. Because the idea was to, first of all, get his brief and to know who he is. Because when you understand who your client is, it will give you an opportunity to do a design based on his personality. So we understood that he's a peaceful man, he's a sophisticated man, he's an intelligent man. He already, know what he wants from the onset. So when we came in, we were able to work with that personality, to, get a team for the project. The name of the project, we termed it Dove House. Dove is peace and tranquility. If you check the design, you will see peace and tranquility in that fair. You will see the neutral colors that we made use of. We made use of neutral, color palettes like white. We have light gray. We have dark gray. We have a beige. So these are the colors that we chose for the house to, further propagate and to show, that peaceful atmosphere. So when you come in, you see the house, you see harmony, you see peace, you see tranquility. So this was actually how we came in.
Given the conditions of the area, particularly the road, we constructed a high foundation to ensure seamless access and to prevent future complications.
If you look at the road network leading to the site, you will see how bad erosion has eaten into the environment. So when we came in, the first point of call was to make our foundation very high. So if your foundation is high, at the end of the day, you drive into your space. Most people always make this mistake of having their foundation at a normal level. By the time the road is built and finished, you will see the road will be dragging the same level with your compound, which is very wrong. So the first point of call for us was to do a very high level foundation so that you can ramp into your space, and we achieved it excellently.
At Vimez Projects, collaboration is at the heart of our process. We bring together the best minds, architects, engineers, surveyors, project managers and artisans to deliver a home that stands the test of time.
We work as a team. The whole professionals are always involved. The structural engineer, after our design architecturally, we sent to the structural engineer. The structural engineer gave us the structural detailing for the project. That was the first point of call. And with that, we were able to know the right, structural elements to put in place. We didn't just want to start doing things because we feel we know how we are doing it. No, everybody will have to be on the round table and do this thing. The M&E consultants are already there to check the plumbing and the electrical stuffs too. So we work as a team to get this thing done.
The materials we use are selected with precision. Solid vibrated blocks, reinforced steel, and a comprehensive soil test ensured this project's foundation was not only sturdy but future-proof. Every element of this house is crafted to reflect the client's personality. The concrete floors in dark grey complement the light grey exterior, creating a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and peaceful ambience.
For the materials, the block, when we got into the space, we understood that there are regular blocks that we are using. We cancelled all those. We didn't use the regular blocks. We had to do a special block because of what we stand for. We did very solid vibrated blocks, for that project, strictly for the project. For the reinforcement, we made sure we use the best reinforcement. This is what we call the TMT, that's a foreign reinforcement. So we made use of it to make sure we get it right. So when these ions go through testing and all that, it should be able to pass the testing and all that. So also on the foundation too, we did a strip foundation, and that strip foundation was as a result of the soil test that was conducted. We conducted a soil test, then the soil test reviewed for us to do a strip foundation.
From our analysis and everything, we discovered that the foundation is to be padded. Pad foundation is to be used as the foundation type of the Dove project in Omaha. Through the design phase, we didn't encounter any issues. The architectural design was smooth and seamless, so it didn't give us much stress in the analysis and the design of the structures.
In areas where power is a challenge, we provide sustainable solutions. The Dove House is equipped with a backdoor power system, ensuring the home functions seamlessly even when electricity is scarce.
So on the project, we use 7.5 kVA inverter, which is 48 volts. We use 120 volts charger controller Felicity. We use 220 amp tubular battery, 8 in number, which we did double banking, and we use 16 solar panel, 300 watts Felicity solar panel for the project.
The kitchen cabinets, the wardrobes, the TV consoles. So we had to liaise together, myself, and the contractor, that's Vimez project. After taking the measurements and we agreed on the design and the colors that we used. In the choice of the materials we used, we went for the best, and it came out very well. Trying to satisfy my client, you understand, because he's a very detailed person. So sometimes he will say, "No, I don't like this. Can we do it this way?" You understand? So by the end of the day, we were able to surmount all those things, and it came out fine. My client was happy. It was kind of a teamwork that we did in that project.
At the first sight, the client was amazed by the transformation of his vision into reality. His dream home had taken shape before his eyes.
I wouldn't say I felt like it's new to me, because one thing he did was to make me feel my projects. It was as if I was there every day, every month, every stage, because he would always update me recent developments and anything that is being done in the site. He would always update me. There was never a bridge between or disconnect between the both of us. So he made me feel like I was already seeing my project at every stage. But then when I stepped into the project, I appreciated it more, because it was like a little heaven to me.
He came in after the carcass level. We started the finishing. Then when he came in, he was marveled. He was seeing pictures and videos and all that, but you can't compare that to real life. So when he came in, he actually looked small in the building. Before he thought this building was actually small, but when he came in, he looked small. So that made him feel so welcome. He loved his space. Every space in the house, speaks so much of him. Every space in the house speaks, because we listen to him. We involve the emotional intelligence to listen to him, to know the things that he wants. So we adopted all those things into his home. So that made him welcoming. That made him love his space so much. So he was very happy with it.
The finishing is something that I love most. He took his time and ensured that he paid attention to every detail in terms of the finishing, and that's one thing I like about him. He's someone that would even go a long way to outsource things, in order to make you happy in terms of your project. I really enjoyed working with him, and I don't think that will be the last time. We're already working together for other projects as well. So for me, I would really recommend anyone who wants to build a house, especially if you are abroad and you want to build a house, and probably hotel, church, whatever you're building, I would recommend you to entrust your project Vimez Projects Limited, because he is tested and trusted. He is not just someone who builds projects or another, but he's someone that would incorporate your ideas and make it a perfect, dream that will come true. During the project, we had a few pushbacks, where people would say, why are you using this guy? Why are you using him? He's so young, this, that. There will always be side talks from maybe family members, friends, and all that. But at the end of the day, I trusted him, and I knew he was going to deliver. This is someone I spent about 6 years in the university with, so I would recommend friends and families to him.
At Vimez Projects, we don't just build homes, we create secure, lasting environments for families to thrive. This is our commitment to build a future, one classic home at a time.
When you want to start up your building project, first and foremost, get the right team of professionals. Because the reason why most houses are collapsing is because the clients are not using the right people. They're not using the professionals. Most people will go use draftsmen. They just do these things. You feel that you know how to set blocks, so you just use the right people. When you use the right people, you spend that money, that's time, and you're okay. So by the time you spend that money, you spend it once.
I would say Vimez Project Limited is one of the best architectural firms I've worked with. It makes work easy for us as a structural engineers to design. And most of the time, we have good communication skills. The architect engineering consult and Vimez Project Limited, we have very good communication skills. Before we design or finalize on any design, we communicate properly, and we achieve the best and the best of designs. One thing I love about Vimez Project Limited is that they don't carry out any major project without the presence of the structural engineering firm, which is a very good law they obey in the construction process. I've been opportune to work with him several projects, and the worker-supervisor relationship is top-notch. And when I usually come to supervise my projects, he makes work so easy and comfortable for the structural engineers to work perfectly on site.
Vimez project, tested and trusted. When you give him your job, your building project, from start to finish, just go and rest. That is it. Just go and sleep, because you'll be rest assured that he will deliver 100%. So Vimez projects, tested and trusted, top notch.
I want to use this opportunity to thank Vimez Project for giving us an opportunity to be part of Dove House projects at Umahia. Vimez Project Limited is an engineering organization who specializes in the area of design of buildings, building as well, and also consulting. So Vimez Project is a shop floor for you to call for your project, either designing or building area, and they are good in what they are doing.
From the design phase to the carcass to finishing to completion, we always like this. All our clients, and that makes it very easy for them to recommend us to other people. And to the prospective clients, very soon you get to meet us, and when you meet us, you will love us. You want to do your finishing of the project, Vimez is there waiting for you. You don't have choice but to just get in. You want to build, Vimez is there for you, you get in. You want to design it, Vimez is there. Anything that has to do with the built environment, anything that has to do with the building process, trust us with your project. You're at peace. Just you give us your project and you go to bed. Our integrity speaks for us, and we want to keep doing that by the special grace of God.